Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we're going to be making the Mighty Nine elderflower rum cupcake. They've been Amazon Prime's been shooting out ads for this show, and it's just immediately just a ad of elderflower rum cupcake, and it needs more cinnamon. And I'm like, I want to make that into a shooter. Now, this is very basic, and it's still kind of a work in progress, but I'm going to try two different variations of it because fuck it. Why not? Yeah. So this is my own variation of it. I don't know if it's a very good variation, but we're going to go with it and hope for the best. It should be noted that one's going to definitely be a shot glass and one's going to actually be in a rocks glass for right now. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. What you're going to need is a cinnamon whiskey or cinnamon schnapps or Fireball, because Fireball has its own designation to be Fireball. You'll need cake vodka, elderflower liqueur, and a rum of your choice. I'm choosing vanilla rum, I guess. I kind of feel like there might be some vanilla into it, maybe. So we're going to find out if I was correct and see if this is going to be a good choice or if it's going to be a horrible choice and I did this all for nothing. Yay! The one that's going to be shaken is going to go into a shaker, and then I will mix the other one up with like regular white rum. I was kind of considering what type of rum we should use, but I think white rum would be probably better just in that sense. But we'll see, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and do this. My calculations say we should do a 3/4 ounce of cake vodka, or apparently an ounce of cake vodka, because I forgot how to pour. That's a little bit better. Just drink some of it, it'll be fine. A 1/2 ounce of our vanilla rum, which is more of a liqueur than a rum, just FYI. 3/4 ounce of our elderflower liqueur. And finally, we're going to use about a 1/2 ounce to an ounce. Actually, 1/2 ounce, no, 1/4 to a 1/2 ounce of our cinnamon whiskey. Because she ended up saying that it needs more cinnamon, and that's fair enough. So, let's find out if this is going to be good or if it's going to be too horribly cinnamony and it's not going to taste good at all. We're going to go ahead and shake this, and then actually, no, we'll not shake this right now. We'll do the same thing over on this side, just with regular rum. Same type of recipe as before, and I'll bring you guys back in once I'm done shaking and stirring. All right, let's go ahead and try out the first one that I made with this and see if it's any good. Very, very strong cinnamon. Has a nice vanilla cake vodka to it, like a vanilla cake-ish with cinnamon in it. I don't really taste too much of the elderflower, but let me just make sure. Oh no, there is a little bit of elderflower in there. I made enough for at least 2. So we get to try again. Let's see how it is second time around. Honestly, I think it's good. Has a hint of vanilla, and it has pretty much everything that's in here is just kind of in the shot glass, and it goes down relatively smooth. The cinnamon is still causing a bit of fire in it, but whatever, it's Fireball, so I'm not going to expect too much out of that. But I think this is how I would think an elderflower rum cupcake with cinnamon would actually taste like. It's interesting. I'm not sponsored by Amazon Prime, by the way, if I didn't say that before. I just thought it was interesting, and I wanted to make it for a shot, because fuck it, shot. With white rum, cinnamon is very powerful in this. I could taste a little bit of the elderflower in cake, but it's not huge. Rum, the white rum is just entirely fucking gone. It has quite a bit of proof behind it, though, so maybe the other one might be better for this. You don't get that vanilla taste to it anymore. It's more of just straight up cake vodka and Fireball, and that's pretty much about it, actually. Which is also not horrible. It's just not what I was thinking a elderflower rum cupcake would be. So I would recommend going with the first option just for shits and giggles. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.